Learning Unit 4 Effective Environmental Communication Lesson 2 Stakeholder Collaboration. In this lesson of the Effective Environmental Communication Learning Unit, we'll talk about stakeholder collaboration. The topics that will be addressed are overview, stakeholder engagement, relationship management, and practice. Stakeholders play a fundamental role in communication. Involving them and collaborating with them in a co-creation process of value is the crucial goal for all companies when engaging with their target audiences. Regular, transparent, and meaningful communication with stakeholders is essential for responsible development. It facilitates the exchange of ideas and contributes to the individual success of all parties. This communication allows companies to identify common sustainability priorities and identify opportunities for collaboration towards shared goals. This approach helps to minimize risks and discover new business opportunities through continuous dialogue and a thorough understanding of stakeholders' interests. The effective involvement of various stakeholders in the context of green communication can be broken down into the following key functions: inform and update, enhance the knowledge of key stakeholders by sharing news and information on the company's activities, projects, services, and environmental products; convince, build credibility and trust by communicating company's identity, projects, results, and environmental initiatives undertaken by the company. This helps establish mutual trust between the company and its stakeholders. Involve and collaborate. Foster the involvement of internal and external stakeholders actively supporting corporate environmental initiatives. Educate, inform, and influence stakeholders and the broader external environment, improving their decision-making processes and actions that impact both businesses and society. Reporting: provide structured and quantitative reports on environmental policies, activities, and achievements. This helps implement strategies for risk management and enhance the company's reputation. In sustainability communication, stakeholder engagement is decisive for understanding the expectations and key arguments that should be included in the communication. Through proactive and collaborative engagement processes, stakeholders are effectively integrated into decision-making processes facilitated by multidirectional communication. A truly sustainable organization establishes a continuous dialogue with stakeholders, actively involving them and listening to their concerns in order to create shared value. Communicating involvement and collaborating with stakeholders are positioned as a fundamental function for the institutional enhancement of actions from a green perspective. Insights derived from stakeholder engagement activities should be integrated into the development of sustainability strategies and actions. This approach allows for the creation of a strong and credible environmental communication path that fosters differentiation, market empathy, and alignment with stakeholders' value. When team members are properly engaged, they are more likely to identify with and feel motivated with the company's green initiatives, helping to achieve goals and contributing to the improvement of the working environment. The company distinguishes itself through its ability to engage with a wide range of players, from suppliers to end consumers. It is crucial to understand and adopt the most effective mode of communication for each type of stakeholder. Managing engagement involves customizing communication strategies to the specific needs of each stakeholder involved. This focused approach enhances the effectiveness of communication and builds stronger, more productive relationships. Responding to requests and listening to the needs of those within the corporate relational network helps strengthen relationships and provides a deeper understanding of stakeholders' expectations. To effectively manage relationships with the various stakeholders, it is recommended to follow these 5 steps. 1. Stakeholder mapping. Map the stakeholders, both internal and external, to the company. The main stakeholder groups that make up the relational network of a company include consumers, customers, employees and collaborators, partners, suppliers, local communities, and territory. 2. Stakeholders analysis. Analyze their profiles and their interests in green issues to understand in advance their information needs and the social cultural context in which they operate. Each group of stakeholders has a unique perception of the company, which results in distinct information needs when it comes to green communication. 3. Plan. The management strategies to be adopted during the project life cycle are identified by selecting coherent, appropriate, and cost-effective approaches in communication with each stakeholder. 4. Implement the plan. Engage in discussions with stakeholders, listen to their feedback, and reflect on these interactions to better manage the relationship. Adapt messages and communication channels to diverse needs and modes of interactions of each stakeholder group. 5. Review. Monitoring the effectiveness and analyzing the results of the activated engagement path is essential to identify any critical issues in meeting the needs of some stakeholders with respect to the set objectives. To achieve the result of active stakeholder engagement, effective sustainability communication must be interactive. Engagement can take various forms such as interactive digital platforms to gather feedback from online service and sustainability programs, information visits that offer the opportunity to listen directly, see and interact transparently in the production site with the company's representatives, meetings and forums, staff communication that within the company can be of three types: informative, training and bilateral, environmental sustainability reporting to inform its stakeholders about ongoing projects and the results achieved with respect to the areas of commitment, and hackathon and partnerships that are digital marathons to address common challenges where participants can propose and develop new ideas. So in conclusion, to create effective and engaging storytelling, it is essential to balance narrative elements, which can include meaningful experiences and relevant events, with concrete details. Each project submitted should have clear, specific, often quantitative objectives and a description of the progress made during the year to give substance to the story and demonstrate the results achieved.